All right, this time we're looking at the form of a quadratic that's going to help us the most to find the x-intercepts. So x-intercepts, that's where your graph crosses the x-axis, right? So if this is our parabola, let's say that it looks something like, not that, let's say that it looks something like this. Okay, something like that. All right, and so we see our x-intercepts are at 1 and at -3. Well, standard form is not going to have a 1 or a -3 in it. So we definitely don't want to use that. The vertex form is going to show us where the vertex is. That's great, but that's not the x-intercepts. So it must be factored. Let's think about why. Factored form in this case would be something like x minus 1 times x plus 3. And it could have a number here like 2 or a fraction or something like that. Like we won't go into that right now. That part's not important. But factored form is going to show me right away, oh, it's the opposite of that. The x-intercepts are 1, and the opposite of this would be a -3. And so 1 and -3, those are my x-intercepts. That's the form I want to use. So factored form is going to take you straight there. All right. Or almost straight there. Hope that helps. See you next time.